Complexion, but your skin is happy birthday to me!
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
A few months earlier, not like I had money to celebrate anything, but I simply thought my birthday was just going to be sleep, eat, watch movies, use your phone, make calls, chat, walk around the whole house. Like, that was how I imagined my birthday. Not until you must show it. Happy birthday to me! What am I shouting? What am I shouting? What am I shouting? Like, why wouldn't I shout? Like, tell me. As you can see, I'm all dressed. Not really dressed. Like, I'm about to do my makeup, put on my belts and my shoes. But I'm going for a picnic. Literally, my friends organized a picnic for me. Like, and I'm not the one hosting it. We are like 6 going out on a picnic. Like, we literally paid for everything. I just brought cake. And guess what? The cake, I didn't even pay for it. A sweet baker, Sweet Belinda Cakes, she decided to bake this awesome beautiful cake. So this was the cake Sweet Belinda sent to me. I spoiled the cake yesterday on bike, but then you guys can see from the carton this cake is very big. She inserted my picture there. I am really grateful. I didn't pay a dime for this cake. Thank you, Sweet Belinda. For the picnic, I'll be going with my tripod because I want to capture all moments. I will try my best. These clothes that I will place on the floor. Sorry if my hand is so shaky. Then what's inside? Okay, foil in case of anything. I'm going with 3 bottles of wine, toast cups. These are serviettes. I just removed some and put inside nylon because I can't carry the pack, and you know. And these are what are they called? Saucer plates. So these are basically the things I'm going with, and the cake. My friends will be coming with the remaining things. So guys, I'm done with my makeup. I'm about to leave the house. So see you guys when I get there. Bye. So guys, I just got here. I know I came very late. This thing, we are meant to start by 10, but it rained, you know. It rained heavily today. So I wanted to spoil my day, but now it's like 3, but the sun is still out. So that's very good. We are setting up right now. The place we wanted to use, I'll show you guys. They're playing ball there. They're playing ball in the location. So we decided to use a kind of out sketch of the place, but we'll still go back there to take pictures. Maybe not. Let me show you guys what we are setting up for the picnic. So we have chops from F.A.Q, confectionery, drinks. We are still setting up cake. Oh wait, let me show them. My baby sent me cake. No, look at your baby. No, it's here. It's this one. So you see my cousin, my sweet sister. So why are you laughing like a fish? So these are the beautiful girls that organized this picnic. Please, Chinese providence. As she's looking at Isaac. This is Lucy, you already know her, my cousin Chiso, and of course everybody knows Amara at the back. She has been in my previous vlog.
Our picnic mat is set up. Yeah. What's wrong with this one?
If I could take you up in boom boom bosh, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Yeah. Hey. Red and green. We are twinning. Yeah. Come on.
Up in my Maserati, baby, up in my Maserati. I say up in my Maserati.
Was it the video?
Up in my Maserati. And I wanna see you get me somebody. In complexion, but your skin is
Happy birthday to me! And thank you, girls. I'm so grateful.
you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord, for looking. Thank you for bringing us here, Lord. Thank you, Lord Jesus.
I want to thank God for these girls, these beautiful girls here. When my guys disappoint,
All the cheese we are not doing again. Hey!
yes, yes,
And the rain. Hey! We made it. Finally.
you brought food salads.
Yes. Get my own
Get out.
Give me a beautiful hello. Give me a good you. A wonderful set. Ugly stressful hello.
So guys, sorry I didn't carry you guys along. We've been having a lot of fun that I forgot to capture, but I'll be just you guys to know. I love you guys like that.
Name me future. I can name me.
I know you open that. You must show it. I want to thank everyone who made this day very special for me. Oh my god, the messages I got. But like everybody is always saying I'm hardworking. Guys, I'm very lazy. Like I don't know why I was getting the hardworking messages. I'm a very lazy person, like super lazy. But thank you all. Thank you for your messages, for your posts. That I literally switched off my data, turned off my Wi-Fi because I was getting so many messages. Like I've never gotten the amount of calls, all the subscriptions I got, all the airtime, every single thing. I really appreciate those that sent me wishes. I really appreciate you all. You watching this video, once again I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
These girls are mad. I start.
Jesus.
No. I face them. Jesus. People are that's it. That's it. 2 left legs.
So I really want to thank God for my family. They've been very supportive. I want to thank God for my parents, my dad, my mom. Yes, that's my family. I know, right? My elder sister, my elder brother, my younger brother. I want to thank God for them. And I want to thank God for my girls. I want to thank God for all my subscribers, all my viewers. You guys have been really supportive. My vlogs recently have gone high. Most of them, my videos have been going up. I'm very grateful for that. I'm grateful for life. I'm grateful for everything. I'm grateful for you watching this video now. I'm grateful that you're watching this video. So guys, I just came back very late. I came back with Amara, see some things scattered. We came back, this is like 10 to
By 9:30 actually.
yes, okay, around 9:30. So this is like 10 right now. And I want to unbox a gift I got, so let's check it out. It's a bottle of wine, I'm very sure. Yes.
What if it's a bottle of granuts?
Saint Laurent. So to cut the long story short, a very special person sent me this gift, sent me some chocolate, sent me cool cash, and wow, because I was so broke. Wow. He sent me some money, sent me a wine, sent me a box of cake, True Pure Heart cake. So guys, I got 2 cakes. One from Sweet Belinda, one from a very special person, True Pure Heart cake. So you guys should check both cakes. Were amazing, very sweet. So I want to thank especially the person who sent me these gifts. I'm really appreciative. I appreciate your support. I know you watch this video, so you already know how grateful I am. Thank you so much. I am really grateful. I know you watch my videos, so I don't say that I'm very grateful for all this, for the support, for the support, for the
support you give to my baby girl. I'm grateful on her behalf.
I will be ending this video here. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like,
comment and subscribe.
And I'll see you all in my next. So you guys already know the person talking in the background. Amara, the most beautiful Amara. You guys always talk about in the comment section. So because of Amara, please watch this video today.
Yes. So